Namaste, I am Manjula. Welcome to Manjula's Kitchen. Today I am going to be making gajar ki kheer or carrot kheer. Kheer is a very traditional and loved sweet all over the India. Traditionally, kheer is made using rice, but I am using the carrot to give a little change. I have done many recipes of kheer for different things, but I think carrot kheer you would really like it and it's very easy to make. This recipe will serve 4, so let's get started. So here I have 3 cups of shredded carrots. It's very important you wash and peel the carrots. So first I am going to blend 1 cup of carrot, shredded carrot, using about 1 cup of milk. So blend the carrot, making into the paste. So just let's check it. Carrot looks good. So now I am going to be making kheer. Heat is on low medium. I have wet the pan. It helps milk not to burn in the bottom. First I am going to put the milk. So this is 3 cups of milk. And 1 cup we use to blend the carrots. Now just add the carrots. It's very simple. So these are 2 cups of shredded carrots and 1 cup we use to blend. Now we are going to put the carrot paste. So let the milk come to boil and let it boil for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. And make sure you are cleaning the sides all the time when you are stirring. Milk has come to boil, so now it should boil about 15 minutes. You do have to stir occasionally and keep cleaning the sides. The milk will be reduced to about half what it is right now, and the carrots will be very tender, not mushy. So this has been about 10 minutes and still we need to cook at least 5 more minutes. Color is looking beautiful, reminding me as a holiday dish and maybe a perfect dish for the Valentines. So this has been about 15 minutes and as you see milk has reduced quite a bit. Now it's time to put the sugar. I am using 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed cardamom, few broken cashews and some sliced almonds. Mix it well. Cook just for few more minutes. We are not going to make it very thick. It's not a halwa, this is a kheer. And as it gets cold, this becomes more thicker. And as you see, this has become very soft and tender. So carrots are just right. They are not mushy. You can still see them in the pieces. That is the idea. So now I am going to, it's ready and I am going to close the heat. So it has taken me really about 18 minutes and I am ready to serve the kheer. I am ready to serve the gajar or carrot kheer, which looks delicious and has a beautiful color. Carrot kheer is looking great, has a beautiful color and it tastes delicious. Carrot kheer tastes best when you serve chilled. Enjoy. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Please do, and don't forget to click on bell icon to receive the future recipes. Till we meet again, check out more recipes on manjulaiskitchen.com. Thank you and enjoy.